We observe the behavior of light and compare it with models. We now have two ideas about light, waves and particles. But neither model is capable of describing the behavior of light accurately by itself. But can you see the waviness of light? Can you handle a single photon? No. I will do an experiment in which the wave properties of light and the particle properties are seen at the same time. Here's our apparatus. We can see 10,000 electrons per second. With this description of light, we are able to predict its behavior, and for the moment, that means we understand it.